Okay guys, so andito ulit tayo sa store natin kasi magsiset up kami ng may kukunin kaming cabinet. Ito guys. Ito guys, yung galing sa bahay. Kung tatandaan nyo, ito yung galing sa Walmart na binili ko $1. So, binibenta ko siya $4. Brand new na strainer. Pwedeng lemon strainer, parang or oil or something. Tapos, ito yung mga gamit ko sa bahay na sobrang dami ko na. Silicone. Yan. So, binibenta na rin natin mga gamit sa bahay na nakatambay lang doon. Yung mga knife. Ito naman, collaboration ng asawa ko. So, yan. Parang madami ito kanina. Parang kumunti. Okay, guys. So, may nawawala akong damit. So, hopefully, baka nandiyan pa yung bumili. Baka nandiyan pa naman. Baka hindi pa na i-check out. So, tingnan natin. Kasi, ano eh, diba? Nakawa na naman tayo. Okay, ayan guys, yung ating gamit sa bahay, binibenta na natin. Ito yung galing sa bahay. May music eh. So, dito ko lang nilagay yung mga bag. Para meron ako dong pwesto. Kasi yung lalagyan ng damit, nilagay ni Daddy. Okay. Tulungan ko lang si Daddy, guys. So, yan guys, ito yung bagong sa collaboration ng asawa ko. So, medyo maganda na yung setup ng damitan natin. And then, ito pa. Nag-setup pa ulit tayo. So, ito yung galing sa bahay niya. Talagyan ba? Lagyan ng bag. Ayan. So, ito na guys. So, paalis na kami. Let's go guys. Paalis na tayo. Hindi na ako nag-vlog masyado kasi may music. So, tapos na kami. Ito yung mga box na dadalhin natin. Iuwi natin. Okay. Let's go, guys. Goodwill tayo, guys. Ito yung bagong Goodwill. Tingnan natin kung anong makuha natin. Hanapan ko kasi si Ben ng pantalon. Nagpa-fasi-fasi si Ben. Ay, ang cute nito. Ano to? Vera Bradley. New York company. Cute siya, ha? I'm not old, I'm classic.
Korean needs t-shirts.
T-shirt? Ay, ang hinahanap natin ay kay Ben na pantalon. Na pang formal. Inorderan ko siya sa Gap. Kaya lang, hindi pa darating. Anong size nito? Teka, yung aking mata ay malabo. Size 5. Naku, maliit. Ayan guys, meron na kaming mga napili. And dito ako nakakita ng salad master na isang peraso yung ginagamit ko sa bahay. Meron na rin kaming nabili kay Ben na sapatos. Tsaka, ano pa ba? Ano to? Plastic ba to? May mga bago pang nilabas. Ito ang mga gusto kong ginagamit ngayon is Pyrex. At walang price. Grabe, 199. Ito yung mga gusto ko ngayon na ano. Walang take pero 199. Pero mura na siguro yun. Pyrex. Sa Ross ay 299. Ay, nako dito 199. Ah, wala. Starbucks. Aba, ang cute. Salt and pepper. Oh. Onion siya. 99 cents each. Ah, may mga pa-cute na ganun. Cute naman ito. Parang sa dip. Aba, tapos ito may ganito. Ang nice. 99 cents. Ba't ito 2.99? Ay, mas cute. As ito. Okay guys, so ngayon naman, pakita ko sa inyo yung nabil nating mga shoes sa Ukay. Ito muna ito, pangbenta ko to. Ito rin, maganda to eh. Oh, ang ganda niya. Pangbenta yan. Ito naman, kikip ko to, Victoria's Secret. Parang brand new siya guys. So, ayan. $3.99, may ano pa. Oh. May tag pa.
I want to show you something.
So, ito naman, para kay kuyang sapatos. Kasi yung ano, luma na. Tapos si Ben, nabilhan ko rin siya ng sapatos. And then, ito naman pangbenta to sa eBay. Ito, eBay. Also, ito ring Pyrex na clear glass, $199. Parang mahal siya na. Pero okay lang. $199. Yes.
You cut this off again. You put it in here, then this cuts it.
For what? For the experiment?
Yeah, to put it into there.
Tapos,
Look.
nakuha kami na microscope. Ayan o. Yan yung kanyang ginagawa ngayon. Ito ay isang ganito guys. Ito ay, how much is this, Ben? $7.
Yeah.
Microscope set. Siya merong mga ganito siya ngayon na inaayos. Ito pa, mga hindi ko naintindihan siya ang makakaintindi. Ay, ano to? Something, ano dito. Ayan, ito pa. Color filter. Ayan. May mga pinapatak-patak siya. Yan yun talaga yung gusto niyang bilhin sa Walmart. Kung maghintay ka, mapunta tayo sa Goodwill. So, finally, after few months, yan meron na. Ben, what is this for?
Mommy, look.
Ano itong mga glow? Ano?
See, you can cut it with any height, and it'll cut it for you if you twist it.
Kasi it has a blade.
That is a.
Ito pa yung kanya kaninang...
Look.
What are you, ano? This work?
Yeah.
Why I can't see
But
nothing?
this light has to be on.
Ay, $3 for a Starbucks like coffee mug. Ayan. 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 And then,
So this, it uses natural light. The light comes from here,
yeah.
bounces off, and goes up.
Oh, sige nga, let's try that. Since we don't have,
And
we
I
can
can
switch.
see
Na-figure out ni Ben kung paano.
dirt.
From the water?
Wait, it's on 100 times. We'll put 400.
What happened?
I see a lot of tiny dots.
Really? Messi?
And let's
Mahilig
do
siya sa
it
ganyan eh. Yan yung gusto niya talaga.
900 times.
Magaling siya mga magbuting-ting.
Oh, wow.
Ano na, balita.
It's just bacteria.
That's
all.
Kasi moving.
I can't tell very much. But I see it's dirt.
Okay. Alright guys, so yung isa pa nating nakuha, ito naman kay Daddy. Ito ay, how much ito? Ben, how much is this camera? $5. $4.99. Aray ko, kumati yung mata ko. Ang kate. Ang kate ng mata ko. Okay. So, ngayon guys, ito yung nakuha. Okay, kasama camera bag. Nakuha. Binili. Yung, ayan, wow. Sabi ni Daddy, Anton, Nikon. Oh, it's super
That's
thin.
worth 100.
Very light. Coolpix.
Wow.
Oh, it turns on. Oh, wow.
That's $130.
$130 on
camera alone.
eBay. Just camera.
This has the
Charger, and then you have this
Mm.
adapter.
the manual.
Wow.
Case.
And the manual, wow. Sa manual, na-search nyo na to. $5 lang na nabil. Pwede may benta ng $139. And ano siya, very lightweight. And look, it
Oh.
works. Oh, wow. Very lightweight. Wow.
Looks like new.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Nikon
Oh,
Coolpix.
like a little
It has a
scratch.
little scratch. Ayan guys, so tapos dito yung zoom. Wow! How much is the zoom?
Mommy, Daddy.
Oh,
Wow, it's zoom really good. 20, ano ba to?
Daddy, I noticed that you can.
It's pretty clear.
Daddy, you can do it two ways.
there's a mirror.
Natural light.
And the setting is
or,
like my camera.
The lens if
Oh,
you're
I've
in
seen
a
that.
dark room.
The setting is like what my camera. Like it's the same.
It's a Canon.
It's a Canon. So how much
No,
is the?
Nikon.
No, it's a Coolpix
Nikon.
Nikon.
Nikon, okay.
5 times zoom wide. And wide yung ano niya. So ito yung best na ano na haul natin for Goodwill for $5 lang. Wow. Yan yung ating camera.
Daddy, look.
And ano siya, wow.
You can
Very nice.
put different
Yeah.
things.
Oh my goodness.
Good for take on trips. You can fit in your pocket.
Yes, it's super light. Kasi I was like,
I have one. I was going to take it to New York. I forgot.
Ah,
I have a.
Nikon?
I think I have a Canon. Is there a memory card?
Yeah, there is a memory card. Oh my. Micro SD. Adapter. And
Oh, it
then,
has a micro SD in it.
yeah, there's a microchip. Microchip.
8 gigabyte.
Tapos, meron dito, yung battery niya.
Oh,
meron
8
siyang-
gigabytes.
8 gigabyte? And then, this is the
That's
battery. Wow. That's
Is there a
nice.
Canon battery in there?
Wow. Yeah, it's a... No, Nikon.
Oh my god.
Tingnan natin kung meron ba picture dito yung dating may-ari. Grabe! 139, pwede ibenta siya ng 139. O, diba? Wow! Yeah, $499 lang, oh. $499. Nakabalot siya dito. Kaya parang, hindi mabuksan, di ba? Kasi naka-plastic. So parang, oh, sige na. Parang susugal na lang. Oh, that's yours. Ah,
Canon.
wow, this is very, slick.
Mommy, I noticed
This
that.
also sells for
Ah.
at least 100 or more.
Oh, wow. Is that
Mommy.
what, do you still use it?
I guess they're. No, I was going to take it to New York. I forgot.
Mommy.
Yes.
It's.
This only is 5
Mommy, it
times here.
doesn't do anything. I think this lens up here
It's
is
no.
dirty. That's why I see little specks of dirt through it.
Yeah, if you can open
I
it.
can see now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might.
Oh, wow. There's
might
still
sell this
pictures. There's still pictures. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, wow. How do you, go to the next one? Right here? Oh.
Come here,
How do you go to the next one?
Turn. No,
I forgot
it's not touchscreen.
this one. Oh, no.
Oh, you press OK. Okay.
yeah.
Then come here.
Save. Okay, yes. Well, there's only one picture, I think. Nakikita siya. Nakachismis lang. There's only one photo. But that's a good deal. Wow. And,
Yeah, I don't think they knew there was a camera inside the case. From
I really thought it's just, because it's super light. So you wouldn't think.
Come
Okay. Eh, complete siya guys. Meron siya nito. Meron nitong adapter. Ano ito? Charger. Meron pa nito. So, yun yung ating good deal today. Here, bebe. Alright guys. See you later!